What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Broken Leg Days. So welcome back, everybody. As you can see, I'm moving a little bit slow, but I do have a lot of things going on. I got 3 updates and a small car cruise for you, so let's just get into it. Check it out. So, update number 1. As you can see, I have broken my leg. I wish I had some great story to tell you that I was rock climbing or wakeboarding or out ripping on dirt bikes or something, but nope, I was killing bees in the front yard and tripped and ended up rolling my ankle and chipping my fibula. I'm about 4 weeks into it. It's healing up slowly. Hopefully next 2 or 3 weeks I should be back on my feet. So all in all, that's been kind of crappy and holding me back. Alright, next up is update number 2, which is way better than my broken leg, I'll tell you that. We were having a hard time getting exhaust and wheels because of the pandemic shutdown. I finally got the F100 unibody into an exhaust shop. They are doing a full custom stainless 2.5 inch with X-pipe for me. I'll let you know on the mufflers as soon as it's back. Otherwise, we're still kind of suffering on the rims. A lot of the companies are just now opening, and I'm trying to get a nice set of 3-piece wheels for it made, which hopefully that doesn't take me back another 6 weeks, but if that's what has to happen, that's what has to happen. Currently, I got the old steel wheels on the back of it, and I had to put a set of my old Ranger wheels on the front of it because the offset is so much different than the old 5x5 5-inch backspace wheels that we had on it. So if you have a set of 3-piece wheels that are 20-inch, give me a shout, 5x114.3. Otherwise, stay tuned, and hopefully I get some very nice wheels here coming up for it. Once the exhaust is done, I'll definitely be showing you a little bit of the exhaust. For now, I got a nice little video of the shop I took it to pulling in, and their front area is kind of cool. Real quick, but take a look. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so update number 3, last but not least, the Ranger chassis. It probably doesn't look like much has been done, but I decided to re-block sand down my final prime that I had done because I just found some more stuff I wanted to fix during the pandemic shutdown. I am waiting right now to put one last coat of final primer on it, and from there we're really going to move on. I'm going to start building the front tub section for the inner front fenders. I got a bunch of new parts for the engine to hook up, and we are going to run brake lines, fuel lines, exhaust, and really, like I said before, get this whole truck built from the ground up, and then we're going to take it all apart again and paint everything. But we have to get everything mounted first, so when it comes time to paint, everything goes back together well. As of right now, once it's not 90 degrees in Detroit, Michigan, I'll get some prime on it, and we'll start getting the cab put back on it and some front suspension, and I'll keep everybody tuned in for that. So before I let you go, don't forget to check out the little car cruise I went to coming up next, and as usual, thanks for subscribing, everybody. Have a good one.
Boy.